This guest room was one of the office I used in 2020, in addition to the desk in my own bedroom, the living room, and even working in the dining room. The first thing was to clear out all the furniture in the current room. I wanted to change this tan-like color to something more calming, so I decided to go with Gray by Benjamin Moore for 2 of the wall. For the other 2 walls, I went with a color called Decorator White by Benjamin Moore. After a few months, I realized working from home will last till the end of the year or longer. I needed a space that I can shut the door to when work hours are over. I decided I need a real office space with a more presentable background other than that bed, and is more comfortable working all day long. The goal was to have this room be an office while still double as a guest room in the future once the pandemic was over. This is how it looked afterward. Desk frame is from Fully. By the way, this is not sponsored from them, but I bought their Jarvis frame and added a 74-inch walnut countertop from Ikea. As I am in meeting most of the day, I have an old Nikon camera and a boom mic for all my virtual meeting. Total overkill, but it's a nice upgrade from the MacBook 720p camera without having to buy a new webcam. If you're wondering where my computer is, I actually have 2, but they're outside. The MacBook that I use mainly for work is mounted behind the monitor. It's leaning against the monitor with a Velcro strap so I can quickly take it out if needed. Though as my company won't be opening back up for another 6 to 9 months, chances are high that it will just stay there until then. As for the other machine is my desktop, which I keep inside the closet. I have it there so it's just out of sight and clutter free. Don't worry, there's still enough gap for air to come in and out of the closet. If you're asking yourself, is that a mattress? That would be a yes. That's the memory foam mattress that was in the room here before. As the pull-out couch work alright for short stay, if I ever have someone staying over for a long period, I can pull this out and put it on top of the couch and it fit perfectly and it's a lot more comfortable. I also have an Ikea Alex drawer to keep all my random knickknack I would need out of sight and somewhat organized. I I added a 55-inch TV in the room so I can watch the news, show, or just add some background noise. The TV can be turned at a 90-degree angle and can be watched from the couch. I can work from the couch or use it for a quick midday nap. The couch can be pulled out and turned into a bed. Plus, it comes with its own storage space for a pillow, blanket, or anything else in the extra space. Of course, nothing complete the room without some color changing LED, right? Let me know if you have any comment or question about any of the item or setup in the room. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far and you like what you see, hit the like button and hit subscribe. It would help me out a lot.